heart still follows the moonlit tide, working through the struggle, chasing every dream, holding on to memories of where I've been. The skyline keeps growing, the traffic never sleeps, but I hear my grandmother's voice in the ocean breeze. No matter where I wander, no matter how far I roam, the voices of my people always lead me home. Sing with me, let the whole world know. City lights, island soul, that's the life we hold. Stand with me, never let it go. Through the highs and lows, city lights, island soul. Yeah, every dollar that I earn carries someone's hope, a family waiting back home for a brighter road. The journey isn't easy, the distance can be long, but the love that keeps us moving always makes us strong. I see the next generation trying to find their way, balancing tradition with the world they face today. Different streets and different dreams, but the roots remain. Like a river to the ocean, we return again. Sing with me, let the whole world know. City lights, island soul, that's the life we hold. Stand with me, never let it go. Through the highs and lows, city lights, island soul. When the night falls slowly and the rain taps on my window, I can hear the distant rhythm calling from across the sea. We may leave the islands, but the islands never leave us. Every song, every story, every tear and every victory. When the night falls slowly and the stars begin to shine, I can feel my ancestors walking right beside me. From Sydney to Suva, from Nadi to Kadavu, we're still one family. Sing with me, let the whole world know. City lights, island soul, that's the life we hold. Stand with me, never let it go. Through the highs and lows, city lights, island soul, island soul. Forever I hope. Sydney to the islands. This is DJ Macvica. Love your neighbor as you love yourself.